Just swapping the first even number and the last odd elements in the array. So initially I'm just taking two locations, x equals to -1 and y equals to -1. Y equals to -1. First, we are finding the first even number index. For I equals to 0, I less than or equals to ARR dot length or simply n minus 1 I plus plus. Whenever we are finding the first even element, whenever you are finding the first even element in the array, store that index value and break the loop. No need to continue. Next, in the same way, whenever we are finding that last odd number means what? Repeat the loop in reverse order. I equals to n minus 1, I greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus in reverse order. When ARR of I mod 2 is not equals to 0, we are collecting that value into y and break. But first of all, we have to check. Imagine if even elements are not there, all are odd elements only. Or only even elements are there, odd elements are not there. X value remains -1 only. X value is for first even number. Imagine if x value equals to -1, if x value equals to -1, we can simply say that swapping not possible. Swapping not possible because array contains only odd elements. Only odd elements. This one. Else if y equals to -1. The same story. System contains, swapping not possible. Swapping not possible because array contains only even elements. If not else, then we are doing that swapping. See, what are the values we have to swap? X location and Y location elements. ARR of X into ARR of X, we are storing ARR of Y into ARR of Y, we are storing the temp value. After swapping, the elements are array is starting with 0 to length -1, I plus plus, printing the values, ARR of I, just with the space. Here, first even is a 2. Last odd is a 5. 2, 5 become 5, 2. 2, 5 become, look at this, 5, 2. Sir, I'm writing only 3795. 3795. Output is a swapping not possible. Array contains odd elements only. If suppose only even elements are there, 4682. Swapping not possible. Swapping not possible. Array contains only even elements. This is the way we need to understand.